Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Michaela Jai, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe to my channel for awesome great videos, and also check out some of my other content and like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment below if you try it. But today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick little recipe on how I bake my salmon. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you want to go ahead and prepare your salmon, clean it, everything. And then you start with the seasoning. So the seasonings that I chose today were seasoning salt, black pepper, garlic salt, a little paprika, and some parsley flakes. So you just want to go ahead and season your meat. And then before I flipped it over, I went ahead and patted the seasoning in a little bit just so it wouldn't fall off as soon as I flipped it over. And then you want to go ahead and turn them over and repeat the same steps with the seasonings. Again, that was seasoning salt, black pepper, garlic salt, paprika, and some parsley flakes. And again, you just go ahead and pat the seasoning in. That also helps it to stick to the meat, and it helps just with the flavor, so it's not gonna get washed off. And after that, I went ahead and added some small pieces of butter. I cut about 2 slices, and then I cut the little slices in half and just place a small piece on top of the meat. And this will help give it an extra little bit of flavor, and it'll also help keep it moist so it doesn't dry out. Then you want to go ahead and add some water to the bottom of the pan. And you just want just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. You don't need a whole lot. Just once you see the bottom of the pan is covered, then you'll know that you're good. And also, you do not want to pour it on top of your meat because that's just going to wash the seasoning off. And so you want to go ahead and bake that for about between 15 to 20 minutes. And then you'll have some nice old salmon. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Thank you guys.